Hello students, welcome to the online class. I am your maths teacher Amit Kumar Sinha and today we will learn about the topic algebraic expression. Okay, so algebraic expression, we already learned that topic in previous classes. Now let's take a quick recap. We already are familiar with that kind of expressions till from class 5 we have starting learning that kind of things, just like addition, subtraction, multiplication and using the parenthesis or small brackets, that kind of brackets. So these are the expressions where these are combined with algebraic signs are plus, minus, multiply and divide. So these are combinations of that signs is said to be expression. Next, what is variable? For algebraic expressions, we have to understand two things. First one is variable and second thing is constants. So what is variables? X, Y, Z or that kind of numbers or letters which are given in our expressions. Just like we have learned about the expressions, suppose these are the expressions and if you are see there is X, Y, these are the letters which are in the place of numbers is given. So these are variables and these are unknown quantities also. Okay, so we know that thing variables are unknown and we have to find the value of that variables, okay, by doing arithmetical calculation, plus, minus, multiply and division. Okay, and these variables are combined with constants also. So constants are 1, 9, 8, 7, that means any numerical number that are fixed, no, they did not change their value in the respect of any condition. So suppose x plus 12 is a expression is there. You can see here x plus 12 and 3y minus 2. So these are x plus 12 and 3y minus 2. These are two expressions where x is a variable in this expression, and in this expression you can clearly see that y is a variable, and 12 and 3 and 2, these are constants. Okay, so you can see that x plus 12, in x plus 12 one term is variable term and second term is constant term. Okay, next, algebraic expression. So algebraic expressions are when variables are used with other numbers, parentheses or operations, they create an algebraic expression. That means if we combined any number, that means constants and variable with each other with the help of this arithmetic signs, suppose we have 3 and x are two things are given. First one is constant, second one is variable. So we can make it as 3x or 3 plus x or 3 upon x or x upon 3 or x minus 3 or 3 minus x. So that all are algebraic expressions. Okay, how many expressions I made there with these two, first constant and second variable, 3x, 3 plus x, 3 upon x, x plus upon 3, x minus 3, 3 minus x. So these all are algebraic expressions because they are combination of variables and constant, and they are combined with arithmetic signs plus, minus, divide and multiply. Next, what is a term? Okay, now in next slide we will learn about term. So what is term? A term is a name given to a number, a variable or a number and a variable combined by multiplication or division. Okay, so suppose you have 3 into x or 3 upon x, because we have constant and variable and which is combined by multiplication or division, only multiplication and division, and separated with operation of addition and multiplication, addition or multiplication. So see here, there 3x and 2y and 15 which are multiplied, that means 3 multiply x there, 2 multiply y here, and there is 15 is single term. Again here 2 into x upon 3, 5 into y upon x, sorry 6, and 3 is single here. So we can say that how many sign are there, how many plus and minus sign are there. So before 3 into x nothing is there, that means there will be plus sign. So first term, again here one positive sign, that means second term, and once again there is a positive sign, that means this is a third term. So these are the three terms of this algebraic expression. See, 3x plus 2y plus 15. About this example we are talking about. So in this example 3x is combined with 3 multiplied by x, which already I written here. Again 2y, that means 2 into y, and 15 is a single, that means 3 terms are there. So all 3 terms are combined with each other. Okay, so there is 3 terms in this expression, again 3 terms in this expression. Okay. So algebraic expression a plus 2 is there na, so term is, first term is a and second term is plus 2, because before a is plus sign and before 2 is also there plus sign. Okay, so these are 2 terms, a and 2 are 2 terms of this algebraic expression. In second example you can see that algebraic expression 3m plus 6n minus 6, m and n are variable here, and 3, 6 and minus 6 are constants. So 3m plus 3m is first term, again 6n is second term, and minus 6, because we have to take minus sign also na, so minus 6 is a third term. Okay, so in next slide, what is coefficient? We will learn about coefficient in algebraic expression. So we have talking about algebraic expression. Coefficient is a number or numerical factor of the term of an algebraic expression. Suppose any term, we have a term 5x plus 3y plus 12. So this is an algebraic expression. If this is an algebraic expression, that means this have some constant and variables and some terms are there. So first term is 5x, second term is 3y, and third term is 12. Okay, so coefficient is the number or numerical term which is multiplied with the variable term. So with x is there, what is there? 5. So 5 is a coefficient of x there. Similarly y is with 3, so 3 is coefficient of y, and 12 is alone, so 12 is a constant term only. Similarly there are some examples, 6m plus 5, then 6m is a term which have variable and constant term of that with m is 6, so 6 is a coefficient of m. Again 8r plus 7m plus 4, so m वाले टर्म में हम देखेंगे what is the term of m, 7m and 7 is the coefficient of m. Again 14b, only one variable is here, 14 b, and b is 14, so 14b, so in 14b only 14 is a variable. Okay, now what are constants? So a constant is a number in an expression that can't change its value. Okay, I already explained that thing. In that expression we have 5x plus 3y plus 12. So 12 is a term which is distinct with or any variable. No? In 12 there is no any variable, not any variable, so 12 is a constant term. So similarly in an example, in the expression 5x plus 7y minus 2, so constant is minus 2. Okay, similarly in this expression constant is, what is the constant? See here, find the constant in 10ab minus 4b plus 7a minus 50. So minus 50 is a constant term of that expression. Now how many terms are there in a algebraic expression? So according to the terms, algebraic expressions have some types. First type is monomial, second type is binomial, and third type is polynomial, or somewhere it can be written as trinomial, and fourth type is polynomial. Okay, so monomial, firstly we have to learn about monomial. So see in this slide, 2x, 3ab, 4y square, So you can observe that only one term is there. This expression have only one term. Such expression are called monomial. So some examples of monomials are 5x, 2x square, minus 9y, and etc. Okay. Again, binomials. So what are binomials? In this pattern, you can observe that 2x minus 3y, again 3ab plus 8b square, again 4y square minus 16z. In these three examples, what you observed? You observed that every expressions have two terms. Suppose 2x square plus 15 or 3y upon 5 plus 9. So in this both examples, you can see that both the examples have only two terms. So these in binomial, you can say that two terms. Okay, so an algebraic expression which have two terms is said to be binomial. Again, trinomial. So in any algebraic expression which have three terms, then you can say that is a trinomial. And polynomial. So polynomial is the largest part of algebraic expression, and you can say that in any algebraic expression have more than three or more than three terms are there, then it is said to be polynomial. So there is 2x, 3x plus 15, 2x minus 3y plus 2. So these are monomial, binomial, trinomial, but there is, you can see that 3xy minus 4y plus 2x cube plus 7y square minus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms are there. So you can say that these are polynomial because it have more than two terms. Okay, so every binomial, trinomials are inside the polynomial terms. No? So you can say that 2x square plus 9y is a polynomial. Second, 5x plus 3y plus 7z is a polynomial. And one more example, 5x plus 2y square minus 9z plus 13y is a polynomial because it have 2, 3 and 4 terms, because in polynomial more than one term is required. No? Now like terms. So like terms. So in any expression, algebraic expression, you can say that there 2xy and minus 5xy and 10xy. What you observe here, variable terms are similar. In every example, variable terms are similar. In first example, there is xy, again xy and again xy. That means all variable terms are equal with different coefficient. First coefficient is 2, minus 5 and 10. Similarly, in second example, ab square is a variable, again ab square and again ab square, and it have constant 2, minus 10 and there is nothing, that means there is 1. So coefficient is 2, minus 10 and 1. So you can say that these are like terms. Okay, and in like terms having same variable with same power. Okay, because there is 2xy and minus 5xy, 10xy, so all variables are same with same power. Here x to the power 1 and y to the power also 1. Again x to the power 1, y to the power 1, x to the power 1, y to the power 1. In that example, a to the power 2, b to the power 1, a to the power 2, b to the power 1, a to the power 2, b to the power 1. But constant terms are different, no? 2 minus 10 and there is nothing, that means there is 1. So these are like terms. Now see what kind of operations we can do in polynomials or algebraic expressions. Okay, so in the terms of polynomial, I am using here term polynomial. You can say that all polynomials are a algebraic expression. So we can do, polynomials can be added. We can add two polynomials with each other. We can subtract polynomials with each other. We can multiply polynomials with each other, and divide. We can do divide with polynomials with each other. Now you have some questions for that class. In the expression 3x plus y square, name the terms. Okay, so you have to write terms here. So first question is here. So there are 4 questions in your quiz, and first question is, in the expression 3x plus y square, name the terms. So 3x plus y square is given question. See, first term is 3x and second term is y square, because before 3x there is plus sign. So how many terms are there? 2 terms. Okay, and name of these terms are 3x comma y square. Is it clear to all? Now second question, what is the coefficient of minus 3xy? So in minus 3xy you have to observe that which one is the constant number with variable number. So minus 3xy, x and y both are variable, but minus 3 is a constant term, and sign of 3 is minus sign. So constant term or coefficient term of variable is minus 3. So coefficient of xy is minus 3. Now third question, are 2xy and 2x square y are like term? 2xy and 2x square y, we have to check 2 numbers here. So see here carefully, 2xy and 2x square y are there, no? X to the power 1 and y to the power 1, but here x to the power 2 and y to the power 1. So we have same power and same variable, then you can say that these are like terms. 2xy and 2x square y are there. So in this all variables are same, x and y both are same here, but power of x is 1 here and power of x is 2 here. So these are not a like term, so you have to write no. Okay, now question number 4, are 3x square y and minus 2yx square like terms? So you have to check there. What is the numbers? 3x square y and second one is minus 2yx square. So see here, in the place of y and x we have 2 variables, y and x. X square is here, x square is also here, y is here, y is also here. That means both the expression have same variables and both variables have same power. Power of x is 2 here, power of x is also 2 here, power of y is 1 here, power of y is also 1 here. So both are like terms. Yes, these are like terms. Okay, so that much for today class. Hope you all understand what is the concept of algebraic expressions, and you will apply that things in exercise questions, and you will do all questions of that exercise with easily now. And that much for today's class. Thank you.